It was my first day as an Oracle EPM consultant, and honestly, my heart was racing. I walked into the office holding my laptop, trying to look confident, but inside I was nervous. New company, new team, real clients, real data. This wasn't practice anymore. When I logged into the system and saw planning forms, dashboards, business rules, and consolidation reports, it hit me. This is real. On my second day, my manager gave me my first task, review the planning forms and validate business rules before client submission. It sounded simple when she explained it, but when I opened the application and saw live financial data, I realized something important. Every number mattered, every formula mattered. This wasn't just software, this was business impact. And suddenly, the responsibility felt heavy. Then came my first real challenge. A consolidation rule wasn't calculating correctly. The output was wrong, the team was watching. For a moment, I felt that fear again. What if I can't fix this? But instead of panicking, I started debugging, line by line, logic by logic, testing, retesting, checking intersections, reviewing scripts. And strangely, nothing felt completely new, because I had already faced similar scenarios before, not in a company, but during my training. Before joining this job, I had completed my Oracle EPM training from BISP Trainings, and that changed everything. At BISP, we didn't just study concepts, we worked on real implementation cases. We practiced business rules like actual consultants. We understood consolidation logic step by step. We learned how real client environments behave. So when the real problem appeared in front of me, it didn't feel impossible. It felt familiar. After hours of debugging, it worked. The rule executed successfully. That moment changed everything. I stopped feeling like a beginner. I started feeling like a professional. Within a month, my confidence grew. I was joining client discussions, explaining workforce planning logic, suggesting improvements in reconciliation processes. That's when I realized something powerful. Oracle EPM isn't just a skill, it's a career accelerator. And the biggest difference between fear and confidence is preparation. Looking back now, I know one thing for sure. My first job success didn't start on my first office day. It started the day I decided to learn Oracle EPM the right way, with practical training from BISP Trainings. So if you're planning to enter the Oracle EPM world, don't just learn theory. Learn the way professionals actually work, because when your preparation is real, your first job doesn't feel scary. It feels like the opportunity you were ready for all along. And sometimes, the right training doesn't just teach skills, it changes your entire career journey.